dumpster rental service in Bellevue, Nebraska. At 402 Container, we take pride in being your reliable source for dumpster rental service in Bellevue, Nebraska. We know how essential it is to have a dependable waste disposal solution for your projects. Whether you're cleaning out your home, tackling a renovation, or managing a construction site, we have the right dumpster to meet your needs. Our team is dedicated to providing a seamless rental experience. From on-time delivery to hassle-free pickup, we work hard to keep your project running smoothly. Customer satisfaction is at the core of everything we do, and we strive to exceed your expectations with every service. We understand each project is unique, so we offer flexible solutions to your requirements. Our straightforward rental process ensures transparency and reliability, making waste management one less thing to worry about. Booking with 402 Container is fast and simple. Our friendly team is always ready to assist you with questions or recommendations to ensure you get the right dumpster for the job. Call us at 402-979-5900 to schedule your rental today. Let us help you manage waste disposal efficiently. Choose 402 Container for a dependable service you can trust from start to finish.